Hello guys. Our latest for today is salad with pomegranate. I have lettuce and cucumber. Where's my cucumber? Down. I have the cucumber, guys. This is it. Our salad for today. And the sauce, this one is pomegranate also. Sauce with olive oil and little salt. Squeeze lemon, but I don't start to make it, guys. Just I make the video first. See, yummy fresh salad. Homemade this one, guys. Homemade. Thank you for watching and bye bye.